Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a nice summer salad, something you could use for a picnic, a cookout, or just a nice lunch you can take to work with you, something like that. It's refreshing and best of all, it's no cook. So we're going to start with some zoodles, and a lot of you have a zoodle maker yourself, but I'm going to show how you can buy the zoodles already cut. This is a 12-ounce package I got from Wegmans, and it's already cut for me. Saves me a lot of trouble, especially when you're trying to make a quick salad. Maybe you got invited to a picnic or something and you want to take something along with you. Let me show you the rest of the ingredients here. Okay, it's so easy. We're going to make a dressing for this salad with some salt, pepper, olive oil, lemon juice, and cilantro. You can use fresh or dried. In this case I'm using dried because I don't want it to overpower the salad with little pieces of green. I just want the flavor in it. I'm using some grape tomatoes, a nice fresh avocado, a can of Garbanzo beans drained, and I'm going to crumble up some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese that's fresh. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Maybe feta would be a good addition in this salad too. And then of course 12 ounces of zoodles. Some of you are getting a lot of zucchini out of your garden already. Ours is still growing, so we had to buy some because we don't have enough big zucchini in the garden yet. So let's take this 12-ounce container and we'll start with that in a bowl. Just fluff it around a little bit. You can see they did a great job of cutting this zucchini. It's long spaghetti-like strands, but open it up a little bit so that you can fit the rest of the ingredients in between and let the dressing coat it nicely. So this is a nice product from Wegmans. I know a lot of the grocery stores are doing their own now, but it's a nice time saver. Next I'm going to drain the garbanzo beans and cut the tomatoes in half, and I'll be back. Alright, now you can use about a half a container of a grape tomato, or if you pick some out of your garden, you know, a nice big handful. I like to cut them because it definitely lets some of the flavors in from the dressing. Okay, so toss those in. Now I drained the can of chickpeas. This is a 15-ounce can. I'm just going to shake them in. Next I'm going to take the avocado and slice that up. I'm just going to slice around the edge of the avocado. Give it a twist. Nice and fresh one here, perfectly ripe. Just take the seed out. And then I'm going to slice into the skin and make some little cubes out of this. Now if you're making this salad ahead, you might not want to add the avocado until the end. So if you make it and sit it in your refrigerator and you're not going to serve it for a while, do the avocado when you take it out of the refrigerator to serve it, because you want it to stay nice and green, otherwise it'll oxidize. Just carefully cut down to the skin. Don't cut through or you might cut your fingers. And if you're afraid of doing that, sit it down and do it. But this way you can kind of feel where the blade is coming through. This way you can feel when the blade hits the skin. And alright. We'll save this till the last addition, but we're all ready. Okay, next we're going to make the dressing. So I'm just going to take a side dish here. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cilantro leaves. And like I said, I want this to be kind of floating through the zoodles. I don't want a lot of avocado leaves. So we'll add that. We're going to add some salt and pepper to your taste. I'm going to use the juice of a whole lemon. Alright, here's the lemon. We're going to add that to the cilantro. Then I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Need a new bottle, Rick.
Okay. I used it all.
Alright, so we're going to stir this around and make this really delicious dressing, nice and fresh. You could also use the bottled dressing that you prefer. Now, since I am going to serve this right away, I'm going to add all the ingredients at once. So I'm going to add the avocado cubes, and I'm going to add the Parmigiano Reggiano, all of it except for one nice chunk. I'm going to toss in. You can use about a 1/4 cup or more if you love the cheese. And now we're going to slowly add the dressing and toss. Very nice. You can feel the crunchiness, and you can see the dressing running through the noodles and zoodles. And mix in the nice tomatoes and chickpeas. What do you guys like to call them? Chickpeas, garbanzo beans? How do you refer to them? Wow. Doesn't that look nice? Who wouldn't like this at a picnic or a party out on the deck? Alright. This is what we're going to serve with our cookout meal tonight. And on each bowl, don't think I don't have a little more of this in the refrigerator. I just like to crumble up the Parmigiano Reggiano because it really tops it off. But think about some feta cheese too in there. That's a really nice addition. Alright, there's our chickpea salad. Doesn't that make a nice side dish or a nice lunch? I have to taste it. Hold on. There's some nice fresh zoodle and chickpea salad. All right, I think you'd be proud to take that to your party. Give this recipe a try. Make your own zoodles if you want. It's a fun summer dish. Thanks for watching.